good. I think people want to do good. People want to belong and be part of a community, and that's what drives. That's what drives human nature.
I think human nature is inherently good, mainly because in like as a young person, you're more inherently, I feel, more likely to do good things for other people. But when it comes down to the aspect of survival, what becomes good and bad is irrelevant to
Well, human nature, I believe, is innately selfish. And I don't think selfish is relatively a bad thing because basic human instinct is to do whatever will keep you alive. And I don't think anyone is qualified to say whether human nature is good or bad.
So I'm of the opinion that humans are inherently good because we wouldn't have the society that we have right now. If we were like all inherently evil, why wouldn't we all just be killing each other? You would never gotten to this point that we are. Back in the caveman times, they would all just stab each other, ate each other's babies, all that stuff. But you know, listen, if we aren't at least inherently born good, we're at least not born inherently evil, like not wanting to destroy everything.
Well, I can't exactly say that human nature is good or bad. Human nature is what it needs to survive, I think. Most of the time, to survive, you have to be pretty aggressive, so I would think maybe more bad to survive in a world that you need to do maybe bad things or to get what you need to survive.